I will present our work, TeamPortal, exploring virtual reality collaboration through shared and manipulating parallel views. If you're interested in collaboration and multiplayer applications in VR, I think our topic is appropriate for you. In multi-user virtual reality environments, where complex collaborative interactions are often unavoidable, the transfer and delivery of items between users is very important. For example, we show some scenarios in games and business applications as examples, where cards and basketballs are passed between users during multiplayer activities in Rec Room. In Meet in VR, sticky notes are passed between users during meetings. However, in VR collaboration, the transfer of virtual items between users may pose two major challenges. First, how to recognize virtual objects of interest to the users themselves and their partners. In the real world, due to the lack of a partner's field of view, users may have difficulty in quickly understanding the object indicated by their partner, either because the field of view is obscured or the object is outside the user's field of view. In virtual environments, this problem will be even more pronounced as the field of view is narrower than in physical reality. The second challenge is how users can access virtual objects accurately and efficiently. In virtual environments, users and collaborators may be separated by long distances, and even occlusions between them may disrupt their collaboration. As a result, the user may not be able to directly take the desired target object. For the above challenges, existing research proposes a solution: share perspectives. They help users understand the work state of their partner by sharing the collaborator's view and letting them know what their partner is looking at while collaborating. For example, in 2016, proposed Vishnu, which is a collaboration between a VR user and a local AR user, who share each other's field of view to help with the assembly of items and remote guidance. On the right, two users are shown collaborating on data analysis in VR, with their field of view highlighted, so their partner knows where the other's attention is. However, a new problem arises again. The above study can only help if the field of view of the collaborators overlap. If the field of view of the collaborators do not overlap, or even if the collaborators stand back to back, the previous solution will no longer be applicable. We're going to introduce parallel views, a user-enhancing display that used in single-player VR applications. This is a way to enhance the user's ability to recognize VR objects or VR environments by overlaying other views in the main VR field of view, such as the two additional field of view arrangements proposed by Tio and OVR Lab in 2022. However, insufficient studies have discussed such techniques in a multiplayer collaborative environment, and we still lack knowledge about whether parallel views techniques can improve the efficiency and user experience of collaboration. So, we propose a novel solution to enhance inter-user interaction by enabling users to manipulate and perceive objects within their collaborator's field of view, facilitated through a shared, controllable parallel view.
In this video, we will introduce our system TeamPortal, and since this is a multiplayer system, we will demonstrate this using the first-person perspective of two users. The left side is a first-person view of user 1, and the right side is a first-person view of user 2. In this video, our main focus is on user 2 using TeamPortal for cube operations. First, you'll see a semi-transparent window inside user 1 and user 2's field of view. This is the view window. It will synchronize the first-person view of user 1 and user 2 in real time. That is, user 1 can see what user 2 sees from the view window in real time, and user 2 can also see what user 1 sees from the view window. When user 2 presses the A button on the controller, you'll notice that the controller shuttles to the inside of the view window. Now User 2 can manipulate the objects within User 1's field of view in the View window. With the View window, users can also transfer objects. For example, User 2 can take a cube from User 1's field of view. You can see the cube is now taken by User 2. Of course, with the View window, you can also put objects in front of your partner. Just grab the object and put it in the View window. This is the basic operation of TeamPortal. For details about it, and the design of the 3 variants, please refer to our paper.
In short, it's a function that users share a field of view between them, and they can either get items from the collaborator's field of view or place items from their field of view into the collaborator's, and the collaborator does the same. 2 user studies were conducted based on TeamPortal. In the first user study, we compared TeamPortal. ShaView only shares the field of view but cannot be interacted with, and Baseline, basic VR interaction with no field of view sharing. We used 2 scene setups, a simple scene and a complex scene in which the user's task is the same: grab the white cubes scattered around, find the pattern corresponding to the light blue target area, and place it in. The complex scenario has more cubes and has 4 target areas. The range of both scenes is the same. Our results find that TeamPortal performs better in complex tasks, significantly better than the other 2 conditions. Using TeamPortal improves efficiency and accuracy in complex tasks and can significantly reduce user movement. In addition to this, in users' self-report questionnaires, they agree that TeamPortal has improved their performance and increased the feeling of being together when collaborating. Next, we improved TeamPortal and designed 2 new variants based on user feedback from User Study 1. The variants add a pause feature, one that pauses directly, SnapTeamPortal, and another where a new pause window appears when pausing, while the original window always keeps the view synchronized, DropTeamPortal. We tested these 3 variants in the same complex task as Study 1. As a result, we find that SnapTeamPortal and DropTeamPortal with pause perform better, and in particular, users are more likely to use Snap and DropTeamPortal with pause. We also find that the time spent using TeamPortal is positively correlated with the number of cubes that end users can be correctly matched to. In the subjective feedback from users, we found that a TeamPortal with a pause feature reduces the user's effort and makes it easier for the user to feel more comfortable, but there is a larger difference in the preference between Snap and DropTeamPortal. Some users feel that Snap is the easiest to use and that they can just pause when they need to interact, but some feel that it destroys the feeling of collaboration and they feel like they are losing the feeling of being together. But some users find the DropTeamPortal interface too much to look at. Thank you for your listening, and if you have questions, you can read our paper to see more details.